Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 3rd for the subject of English language, in which chapter 7 Adjectives is continued on page number 38 of your textbook titled My Grammar Time and is being submitted to you on 4th of October. Kindly keep your English language notebook ready as you will be asked questions at the end of this lesson. Children, read these sentences. Suresh is tall. Prakash is taller than Suresh. Akash is the tallest of the three. In all the above three sentences, the adjective is tall, but it has been used in different forms. In the first sentence, the adjective tall is used in its simplest form. It just tells us about Suresh and does not make any comparison. Here, the adjective tall is said to be in the positive degree. Examples: tall, smart. In the second sentence, the adjective taller is used to compare two persons, Prakash and Suresh. The adjective taller is said to be in the comparative degree. When we use the comparative degree, the adjective is followed by the word than. Example: taller than, smarter than. Children, look at the following pictures. A camel is bigger than horse. Here, a camel is compared to a horse. Children, look at the second picture. Ruler is longer than a pencil. Here, a ruler is compared to a pencil. In the third sentence, the adjective tallest is used to compare more than two persons, Suresh, Prakash and Akash. The adjective tallest is said to be in the superlative degree. Remember, then the adjective in the superlative degree is always preceded by the. Example: the tallest, the smartest. The positive, comparative and superlative degrees are known as degrees of comparison. Now, children, look at the rules for comparing adjectives. To compare two things, we add er to the adjective. Example: high, higher, cool, cooler, smooth, smoother. Rule number 2. To compare more than two things, we add est to the adjective. Example: short, shortest, small, smallest. In an adjective, if an adjective ends in y, we drop the y and add ier or iest in its place. Example: lazy, lazier, laziest. Busy, busier, busiest. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Rule number 4. Sometimes we add er or est when the last letter of the adjective is doubled. Example: thin, thinner, thinnest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Rule number 5. For some adjectives, we add more or most before the adjective. Modern, more modern, most modern. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Rule number 6. Some adjectives change completely when turned into their comparative and superlative forms. Example: good, better, best. bad, worse, worst, many, more, most, little, less, least. Children, let me check whether you have understood the topic. Exercise A. Filling the blanks with correct adjectives. Sentence number 1. Her dress is dash than mine. Beautiful, more beautiful. Sentence number 2. Bala is very dash today. Happy, happier. Sentence number 3. This is the dash place in the world. Colder, coldest. Children, while you write the answers, you may kindly pause this video for 3 minutes. You must have written the answers. Let us see the correct answers. Answer number 1 is more beautiful. Answer number 2 is Bala is very happy today. Answer number 3 is coldest. Children, your homework is to do exercises E, F and G on page number 39 and 41 in your book titled My Grammar Time. Thank you, children.